What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have Snackcrate. We're gonna be trying some snacks from somewhere. I honestly don't know.
Let me check if I need to check on that email.
So let's start this video out.
Let's see what country we got.
Okay.
Hawaii.
I should probably show you guys this. Let's see. Oh, something fell.
Oh.
Honolulu is the capital of Hawaii, if you didn't know that. I didn't.
The highest point is Mauna Kea volcano at 13,796 feet. Wow. Okay.
Let's see.
Thought someone was crawling on me.
There's a bunch of spider webs at this table we're sitting at, and I'm waiting for a spider, so.
Cause I'm gonna run that way.
Okay, so this is a list of all the things that are in here, I'm guessing. I guess.
Oh, we got some on the other side too?
Oh, there's some on the other side. I think that's what is it? Snackcrate Plus? I don't know. We're just gonna see what we have in here.
Open up the tape. If I can open it. Voila!
Alright.
This one.
First snack is the Maui Style onion chips.
No, that's jalapeno.
Is that on the back there?
Yes.
Oh, the Hawaiian
Jalapeno chips.
Jalapeno chips.
Get a little island spice in your life with these jalapeno flavored crunchy potato chips. I mean, I love me some jalapenos, so I think I'm gonna like this one.
I don't think I'm gonna like these, honestly. I don't like jalapeno like that. Like, it's cool, but
make it really difficult to get in there. Ooh, I want to try some banana chips. Okay, let's try this first.
Alright. Jalapeno chip. In 3, 2, 1.
These popping.
They good.
They're good. Yeah.
Oh. Wait, they don't really taste like jalapeno though. Like, I'm trying to think of the chips that I've tasted that taste just like this. It's like those voodoo chips.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Because
they do have a jalapeno kind.
Yeah. Oh no.
I would eat these for days. I'm gonna need them to send me a whole package.
This video is not sponsored, by the way. Alright. Next, we have Maui Style onion potato chips.
Yeah, these are the crunchy chips infused with savory onion flavor and dusted with salt. Each bite will make you feel that fresh Maui spirit. Okay. Juicy.
Should just be a normal onion potato chip.
I'm expecting sour cream and onion flavor, but it just says onion, so I don't know.
Alright, let's get it.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I don't really taste anything.
It's like a Funyun with a different texture. It's basically a Funyun.
Yeah, after the second one, I'm trying to get that flavor.
I like these more than the jalapeno ones, though.
Hey, I fuck with the jalapeno ones.
I like these.
I like these too. I mean, I like chips in general, but.
Okay. Not bad. Alright, what we got next?
Oh, it says it's sold exclusively in Hawaii. These crunchy sticks are infused with pineapple goodness.
Now, I don't know how to feel about this because I'm not really a big... Well, no, I am a big fan of pineapple. But I'm not a big fan of, like, fruit-flavored things that's not candy.
Yeah, I like pretzels and pineapple. I don't know how I'm going to feel about them together because, you know, pretzels are salty.
Yeah.
Pineapples are sweet. I know sweet and salty for certain things are good.
Ooh, it smells like a candy.
That's straight pineapple.
It smells delicious, honestly.
Did you drop a pretzel?
Yeah.
Whoa, just take it easy, man.
Oh,
it's okay. Alright.
It smells really good though. Like, look at this.
It smells like candy.
yeah.
It smells like a fruit roll up. Like it's very, very sweet smelling. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. It's like candy. Like,
I don't know why I get a hint of banana in there.
it smells like a fruit roll up. It tastes very sweet, but
I don't taste the pineapple.
I don't either. It's just a sweet smell.
Yeah, the smell is very strong. I don't really. Okay, let me stop tasting it. Hold on. I guess if you kind of lick it a little bit.
Oh yeah, if you lick it, it tastes like pineapple.
It's pretty good though. Not something I'll buy on a regular, but it's good.
It's not bad. It's just different. A lot of pineapple stuff.
So these fun-sized gummy pineapples are packed with sweet pineapple flavor.
We'll be the judge of that.
How did you open that?
My teeth. My toothlesses.
Yeah, I just seen one.
Lift up. She just ripped it open and it fell on the ground. It's another one in here. Wait, hold on. 3, 2, 1.
There's some good candy.
That's really good.
Ooh, that flavor is.
That is good. That's a good piece of candy. As you can tell by my smacking. What are you doing? There was an orange one and a yellow one, and I don't know if they're the same flavor, so we're gonna try the yellow one now. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's so sweet.
You know, I haven't really been eating candy much lately, but now that I'm eating it, it's just like I'm about to go stock up.
I think they're the same thing. Really good though. Ugh, I don't think I'm gonna like this.
Let's try it. What is
We
that?
have
Chili pepper nuts.
pepper,
Pepper.
macadamia nuts.
Pepper. It's a major Hawaiian staple. These dry roasted macadamia nuts are flavored with red chili powder and a hint of lemon. Kind of sound good. I mean, I've never really had macadamia nuts, so I don't know. I like peanuts and almonds and
Almonds. 3, 2, 1. I taste lemon immediately. And lemon on a peanut or a macadamia nut.
Okay, hold on. Because at first, I tasted the chili powder, mostly the chili powder. But then after that, I tasted the macadamia nut. I don't really think I like macadamia nuts much because that's
terrible.
It wasn't horrible, it's just I don't like that flavor. I feel like the texture is a lot different from peanuts and almonds.
So this is everything?
Lean Moi drops. Sweet hard candies flavored with plums, boasting the pit of a real plum in the center. I wonder if we said that right.
Probably not.
I'm sorry.
We do not mean to offend anyone.
Very ignorant.
3, 2, 1. It's not bad. High chew.
But we have those too.
Acai flavor.
That's what it is for real?
Yeah.
These juicy fruit chews feature the unique acai berry flavor and real chia seeds, taking deliciousness to a next level. I thought chia seeds didn't really have a flavor.
I don't even know what that chia seed is. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is.
Or what it is.
Or what's up?
Okay. Ooh, it smells really fruity.
It does.
I can see the chia seeds in there. Yes, sir.
3, 2, 1.
It's really chewy.
That's why they call them high chew. That's really chewy though. It's like rubber.
They kind of got a gummy texture to it. But flavor-wise, it's really good.
Alright.
What's that?
This is, these are Hawaiian cookies. I don't know how to, is this the special treat then?
It might be the special treat because it's not on this paper.
Well, this might be the special treat that was included because something wasn't available in the box, but these are Hawaiian cookies.
Try to say this word. Kakimochi.
Kakimochi, something.
We're trying, okay?
We're only human.
Smell good.
They smell really good.
It's really strong. Like.
3, 2, 1.
I bit my feet.
That's a good cookie. I feel like all these ants are starting to migrate towards this box. Are these ants? This is Hawaiian Sun Lilikoi Passion fruit juice drink from concentrate.
This refreshing juice features the sweet island flavors of passion fruit. Didn't I tell you I wanted to try some passion fruit?
I mean,
Or maybe that was the dragon fruit. I wanted to try passion fruit too. So,
I don't think I'm gonna like this. I don't like that smell. And typically, if I don't like the way something smells, I typically don't like the way it tastes. You can go first.
okay. What? I was about to say 3. 3! 3, 2, 1. It's not bad. It tastes like orange and some other fruits mixed together.
It's not bad, but it's not good either. You can have that.
I fuck with it. Next, we're gonna try pineapple shortbread. You went to go throw some trash away. Anyway, it's pineapple shortbread, and it says this authentically Hawaiian treat is made of all native ingredients, featuring sweet shortbread with a real pineapple filling.
Is that this?
Yeah.
Pineapple shortbread cookie? Just one, it. It's just one thick cookie. One thickum.
It says it got a filling, a pineapple filling.
Everything's pineapple. Okay. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
You didn't even bite down on it. Tastes like pineapple upside down cake. There is a
very thick.
there's a ant or something.
A spider.
It just went across the sky.
We'll have to wrap this video up. So many bugs. So much wildlife.
Well, we are outside.
Yeah.
I like that one.
This is the Tuna Jerky.
Teriyaki tuna jerky. Wild-caught Hawaiian tuna is marinated in teriyaki seasoning, then dried to make this savory treat.
Tuna Jerky.
It definitely smells like tuna. It looks like regular beef jerky, I guess.
I don't know how to feel about fish jerky, but
That smell is really potent.
yeah. 3, 2, 1. It's tough.
That's actually pretty good.
This takes me back to when we tried sushi, and I didn't like the sushi.
I'm sorry, this is giving you like a...
Nah.
Okay.
I tried to give it a chance, but
At first the flavor was okay, but then like, I don't know, like the inside of my mouth, it felt like I just wanted to regurgitate.
last but not least,
We got the
Asia Trans Lihing Mui rainbow belts.
rainbow belts.
But it's not just like normal candy. It has like some like extra spice on it.
It says delicious, brightly colored gummy strips dusted with Lihing Mui powder, which gives the perfect blend of salty and sweet.
Okay, so that's what that. Something else was like Lihing something flavored. It's like powdery. Was that the candy?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what it is. It's that powder stuff on the plum that makes it have that taste.
Okay.
Jesus.
Okay, good job, good job.
Oh my God, why is it so long? Alright, this is the last thing in the box. I feel something crawling on me. Don't know what it is, sorry.
Elbowed me in the head.
Sorry. Alright, 3, 2, 1. I like it because I like that powder flavor, but you seem to not like it.
It's alright.
That just goes to show you our taste buds are really different. Overall, I say it's a success. There's
Which
a lot
one
of.
was your favorite?
I think I gotta separate it between salty and sweet. My favorite salty thing. Favorite salty thing was probably the onion chips, honestly. But they were pretty good. And then like my favorite sweet thing, I don't know. I might have to give it to these rainbow belts. But the Diamond Bakery cookies were really good. And I also really like the Lihing Mui drops. So, oh yeah, and the pineapple gummies, but they're just a little too sweet.
Let me tell you my favorite. Okay, obviously the jalapeno chip. Jalapeno?
Jalapeno.
Hawaiian jalapeno chips.
Pino.
I like those pineapple gummies as well, yes. Let's see. The drink is good too. And what else? The pineapple shortbread with the pineapple filling. Yes. Come through. The high chews were good too. The high chews were good too, but
I would say the worst things were the teriyaki tuna jerky.
absolutely.
And this drink, for me, I don't really like it. And the chili pepper nuts. Yeah, I forgot. The chili pepper nuts, probably the worst. I could somewhat do the jerky, but
No, the jerky was the worst.
it's a tie between the chili pepper nuts and the teriyaki tuna jerky.
Teriyaki!
But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it. That was fun.
I am subscribed to Snackcrate, so we'll
Try
maybe
some
do
more.
another one.
Try some more different countries or states or whatever.
I want to try those ketchup chips from Canada.
Canada, yeah. Yeah, I've heard a lot about those. But anyway, guys, we're gonna wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked, leave a like on the video, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.